Hello guys, in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and review of Oppo Reno 7 4G, which was released in Kenya earlier this April. Comes with a SIM ejector pin. We have the quick guide over here, and then the safety guide. We also have a very smooth elastic phone cover over here. We then have the phone itself, Oppo Reno 7 4G of course, we'll check that later. We also have the Type-C data cable. Also in the box we have the 33 watts charger, which is fast. Okay, let us now review the phone itself. I have to talk about the first impression that comes with this phone. Oppo have been releasing different kinds of covers that comes with the phone. We have the stars and the sky reflective covers, but this time they have the sunset orange color. By physical look, it has a sharp and boxy edging and flat sides. It has a very comfortable texture by touch. We can take a look at this unique camera's placement at the back, which have 3 cameras at the rear back. That is the 64 megapixel main camera. We have the 2 megapixel microscope lens and then 2 megapixel depth sensor. And actually it is the first phone in Kenya to sport a microscope camera. Mark that. On the right side we have the power button, and then on the left side we have the nano SIM slots that has an SD card slot for storage expansion and dual SIM cards. Got it. Also on the left side we have the volume control buttons. At the bottom you have the speaker grill, Type-C charging port, and then you have the headphone and microphone jack. On the front side we have the selfie camera, or rather the punch hole camera of 32 megapixel. Time to check the internals. So Oppo Reno 7 4G supports HDR with 90 Hz refresh rate, which makes it very responsive and fast. You'll definitely love consuming content on it. This phone comes with an internal storage of 256 GB and a RAM of 8 GB with a dynamic RAM expansion of up to 5 GB. I mean, you can compare this with a whole laptop or even a computer. Come on. This phone is excellent for everyday use. Switching between apps, playing games, and browsing the web is pretty fluid. Finally, we can take a look at one of the very important of a smartphone, and that is the photography feature. Well, this phone comes with 3 cameras at the rear back. That is the 32 megapixel, 2 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. Also, don't forget about the 32 megapixel front camera. I know already some of you are anticipating about the price, but don't worry, because you can get this phone at an offer price from Kilimall at Kenya shillings 42,999, and you will not just get the phone but also a free J6 Bluetooth earpods. Grab the offer right now. Let's go.